Hey there, it's Tanya Bernadette, and today I get to share with you what it's like to shop on a budget with a guy client. I'm really excited about today because today is our second time shopping together. The first round when we went shopping, we found so many great pieces. So right now what we're gonna do is we're going to add more to it and also find some other functional fashion items that help his wardrobe. It's all about comfort, and the feedback that I got from last time is we need to get some more comfortable pieces for his closet. I like to call myself lately a functional fashion stylist because I find that comfort is key into almost all of my clients' closets, because if it's not functional fashion, you're not going to be able to do your day-to-day activities that you need to do. The beauty about being a stylist, I think, is that I get to work with all of you guys. I get to help you guys find what works for your lifestyle, your personality, and also what fits your body type, which is the most important part. Our focus today will be on finding pieces that when he's sitting down will be comfortable. He works in tech, so he's going to be sitting down a lot of the time. Although the nice slim fit shirts look great, we do need a little bit of wiggle room so that when he's sitting down all day, he still feels comfortable in what he's wearing. And with guy clients, something that's really important is finding pieces that we might have to tailor, and so we have to put that in our budget as well, because there might be some shirts that fit really nicely but they need a little bit of tailoring so it fits just right. For my clients that have a budget that's under $1,000, we only need 2 hours of shopping to find the right pieces. So 30 minutes of that time is my prep time. So I actually go into 2 to 3 different stores and get the fitting rooms all ready with the right pieces for you to try on. Then we have an hour and a half together where we actually get time together to find the right pieces, and we get to talk about everything. During the session, I am on my phone because I'm taking notes about what works and what doesn't. And that's a really important part of the process, because you also get those notes afterwards that you can use when you shop. I think that with shopping, we get so caught up in our everyday lives that we aren't focused on ourselves and what's happening. And so these notes help you stay focused, and when you're more present with yourself when you're shopping, it becomes easier for you to realize why things didn't work. Every session that we do together and we go shopping and we do closet cleanouts and put outfits together, both you and I get more in touch with why you choose certain colors, certain styles, and certain pieces in stores that feel really good to you and why you don't pick others. My team and I are here to help you feel amazing, feel confident, and achieve more in your life.
The thing I enjoy about the personal shopping process is that I don't have to worry about going through aisles and trying to find fits and colors and things that work together that I think would work. I don't naturally have an eye for it, so having somebody kind of go through that with me and tell me what I look good in and tell me what I don't look good in is very helpful. Pink shirt didn't work, but it almost did. So, and that's something I would have never found on my own and tried on, so kind of getting me out of the box a little.
We want to hear your story, so please send us messages, send us an email, and tell us about your story and how we can support you. If you want to get more functional fashion tips, just subscribe to our channel, because every week we try to add some videos to help you get more in tune with your personal style and be present with yourself. And again, if you want to learn more about the personal shopping services, you can go to tanyab.com.